Hey, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do an unboxing video, but first I would like to say Happy New Year. It is officially 2026 and I'm excited. I hope to bring more exciting things to this channel, and yeah, my first 2026 unboxing will be an IVE MD. It's from their Show What I Am World Tour, and you can see the item on the front. It's an angel wing grip top, or in other words, a pop socket. It came with a photo card, so let me show you who I have. It is Wonyoung. My first photo card of the year is Wonyoung, and there are words on it. It says, "I can even turn my tears into jewels." And on the back, there's another picture. It's a close-up of Wonyoung. Now let's open this box. Also, thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Okay. Seems like it's made from silicone. I've never had a pop socket before, and I knew I wanted it to have angel wings, but I couldn't find one that I really liked, and I'm glad I've put this one out. But yeah, this is to help it stick. Let's see who I have. I have Wonyoung. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.